Okay, today we will be doing some F2L practicing. The rules are the following. We will be planning the cross and creating the cross, but the major focus will be on F2L pairs. So searching all of the F2L pairs and then executing the exotic ones. So basically the hard ones and trying to find some nice algorithms for them. Yeah, mostly fun algorithms and maybe optimal ones. So after that, two-side OLL and two-side PLL recognition and AUF. Olaf here. Hello. Nice. Get away, papa. Hello, my love. Welcome to the old man's club, my little baby. Okay, okay, no problem. Starting the timer, and then white up, green facing, and edges are here, 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 and here. Okay, red can set up green, which will set up blue, then a D, and we can insert orange and blue after that. So that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is good. Okay, we've got this pair, which is a which is really easy and nice, and we've got this edge, and so the blue and red can be easily solved using keyhole, and we will do that because keyhole is always nice, and then we will pick out the red green one, and we will solve that with a keyhole too. That's a good start because the top one is easy and we don't have anything else. Okay, we've got this flip one, but keyhole. One keyhole, and then that's the other version, which is, I think, oh no, this one. Okay, let's solve these two slots, and we've got the left one. Okay, yeah, that's a new algorithm for me, so I will probably not mess that up. From this angle, we cannot insert these two easily to the back, so there is this this algorithm. Yes, double, move away, back, and that's it. So that solves the back, and then we have this pair left, which needs a rotation because of the orange and blue are not matching. So split and insert OLL and two-side PLL. This is the F perm, but we need to do a U prime because these two are opposite to each other. So the edges are here, here, and these two orange ready to go, and it will not set up nicely the blue one. So we need to do some twist in the insertion, and then we've got the blue one, and the red and green are in a really bad spot, so we need to move them first. So it's one D move, D prime. It will put red over here, which is fine because then blue will push red into the good position, and yeah, then we need to just handle the green one. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the green one, 6. Nice, and we did preserve this pair, and we can move on to nothing in these two rows, so we can handle the top right now. Strange. All right, this is blue, which needs the rotation, and this one are orange, which is fine. So we start. Okay, either one. Then this one. And finally, with speed. Right. Okay, now one move over there, and then one, and then we will see. Okay. No! Yes, 28. Nice. Again. Oh. '23. Enough of this. So red, orange, good to go, and then blue. The only question here is green. Okay, we start with green, then double D2, and then red, orange, blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. Okay, so we've got this pair, quite easy one. This on top, this on top, and then we've got the last one, which we can do anything. So we start with the keyhole, and then facing green means we can solve this pair, the orange blue, easily, and then we can solve the red blue one. So we move forward on this one, and the red blue, which is which looks like from this position like this, yes, and then we only have to deal with the last one, and this is completely rotationless, which is fine. Oh, that was a nice scramble. Okay, green, good, red, and orange ready to go, and then we need to deal with the blue one, which is easy too. So this should be an easy cross. Yes. Okay, this will contain one F move. All right, we move green here to set up orange. Then we move green away and moving blue on the other side. Then we can easily solve the rest of the cross, and everything is aligned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5. Okay. Orange blue. This is a nice hard pair. This one is a hard pair from here because that's the new algorithm, and we've got this one, which is a hard one from this angle. I don't know any specific algorithms for that, and okay, this is the only easily solvable pair, the red blue, because that's basically, you need to solve that from here. Okay, so starting with this one, because I'm learning this algorithm right now. So anytime this comes up, when this 11 move case goes to the back, I love to practice that. So this means from home grip, I hope Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, nice. Okay, we somewhat preserved this pair. So the stickers are matching, but the colors are not matching. So this one is easy to recognize from this angle, and it's worse to put it to the back slot, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves, which is nice. And then, okay, I will not do this pair because this one is already here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, oh, nice. This is a special one because of the flip edge came to this slot. For that, we always have an algorithm to proceed. In this specific case, it's okay, like this. I love this algorithm. That's new for me, so I practice that. This solves that. It's again a rotationless solution with, I think, pretty nice algorithms. Okay, OLL and U-perm. Okay, from this angle, it's easy to see a U-perm because the long block and the headlights here, and because this is the opposite color than the headlights, then you can instantly know which U-perm it is. So cool. We need to preserve this block over here because yeah, that's a must, which means that basically we insert blue and then orange, then we will preserve this block. And what we need to do is just adjust these two edges. Then we will have a nice X cross, and we will see. All right. Okay, just for fun, let's just see what's happening. Okay, this edge will come up here on top of blue because we will do the cross, something like 1, 2, and then the rest of the cube. So which means that the edge will be on top of blue, and this corner will come down to this slot. This corner will be in this slot. That's 2 corners, and the only corner left is this one, which will stay here. So we only need to track the orange, green for that, which goes like okay, the orange green will move over here when this one is up. So a double L move will move that on top. So we will have orange on top with this corner, and we will have this one preserved, and the corresponding corner will sink into this position, or we can try to save that, but no, that's too much. Okay, see, so we will move straight up to this pair. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is solved, and we have this pair over here, and oh, the corner is on top. All right, then do the back slot, and then doing this one, and then we only have this two, which goes like this. Okay. Where is it? Oh, no, I missed it. 21. Oh my god, I need to try it again. On top. Okay. The, these two are flipped relative to each other, so we need to swap at least one of them, or exactly one of them, which could be anything, because moving orange to its right spot sets up sets up blue, and we will go with that because we've got this block, so we need to first put push in red, then putting in blue we'll pick green, and then we simply just place green into its position, and we've got our first pair. So we need to look for more, which is this one will stay, and this one will come to here, then this moves. Okay, so basically red first, then blue, preserving this pair, then green. That would be so nice. X cross. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. Move. And we've got the X cross and this pair. Okay. Need to push in that pair, and then we've got these two, which is nice, and we've got these two, which is hard, so we move on with these two. Not really hard, just I think that's just a bit harder. Okay, in this case, when the edge is slotted and it's solved, we always check for the top and the white sticker. From here the white sticker does not we cannot see that, so the top should be on the same side as the adjacent sticker of the edge, which means that this to put it easy. If it's on this side, then we can pull the edge like this and then insert it right away. That does not affect these two pair, the red green, because we can insert that from this position, right, just like this or like this, and then we have a nicer cross. And yeah, and I don't know, the fifth Y perm here. Okay, we need a U prime because these are the markers for that. And that's it. Oh, just one. No. Okay. 27. We get orange here and red. Inserting these two sets up green to go, and we only need to take care of blue, which can be done while inserting orange. So set that picks the order to red, orange, blue, and then green. And yeah, now that's it. Red, orange, blue, green. Okay, now a flip touch right here, this corner, a flip touch in the back, and so the red, blue one should be our first one, and we have here the green orange, which is fairly easy from this angle. And oh, these two these two are nice. Okay, I would start with these two. Okay, I might get this first or I might not, but these two can be solved from this angle, and it's worth for the try because matching green with the top red tells us that we need to do something like this, and then middle, no, then we just move back, and yeah, we missed it just a little bit. Okay, no problem, we move forward on these two because they are in the back. The same rule applies. The top should be on the adjacent side of the edge, which is this side, and then we can insert them like this. Okay, we've got a flipped edge with red top, so we try to do this. Oh, so that didn't. work because that's not what we should have done, but this one. Yeah. Okay, mistakes were made. Alright. Headlights and A-perm based on the V block here and the adjacent colors of these two corners, and yeah, of course the bookends. Okay, so yeah, nice. I think we missed one scramble only yet. Okay, orange and blue are ready to go relative to each other, so we will deal with them last. So these two are tricky. Okay, I push green, then D, then blue, orange, and finally red. Alright, from this angle, let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nice. This edge and this corner in this specific case, when the edge is not flipped and the corner top matches the front side, we need a rotation to solve. So that's not a good news. Let's see what we've got. We got green, red, and oh, green, red. Okay, easy. And these two, the red, the blue, are easy too. And there's nothing on top. So we have this pair, and that's basically it. So we go with these two with a rotation because these two are the hardest solvable right now. That only needs, is that the GAN 356E? No, it's not the I, it's just the SM version, the G-perm, J-perm version of this, so it's not the I. Pretty cool. Thanks for asking. But I would like to buy one, but I couldn't find anywhere the I2, so that's on hold. Okay, so we move with these two, which is easy from this angle and easy to recognize because everything is the same color from here, and this one is not flipped. So it just, we need to push the corner away and then they are paired like this. We have this pair, which is which could be tricky, but from this angle it is pretty easy. So I would go something like this, and that sets up everything so nicely. Okay, one and the last one. All right, nothing too exotic here. And okay, headlights need to go like always on the left hand side, and then we've got the A-perm, the other A-perm than before, because we see every color on button, and this block here, this could be a G B perm, but because of all the colors are on the bottom, this is a perm with a twisted corner. Okay, blue solved, green is in a bad spot, orange good to go, and red. Alright, red can easily go in relative to blue with only one D, and then that will set up green, and orange will be on top, so we just need to move it to its corresponding place, and then insert. The hand placement will be fine for the back insertion, so that would be nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we've got red, green, red, green. Okay, nice. These two and these two. The orange green one and the seated orange blue, which is right here, so we cannot do anything too special with that, but that's not completely true. Alright, okay, we can start with a keyhole from here, picking up this one, moving the corner over here, and then simply just insert this corner and then align back. So we solved the first pair to the back, and then we have these two we cannot solve, so we need to pick something easy from the top, which is not this pair and neither these two, because both of the edges top color is adjacent to the front. So we need to do the good old rotation. Alright, we will start with these two. So I set them up from here because everything is open. And then do the set up the back insertion. And then we move forward with should move forward with these two, and then finally we've got these two, which needs another. Okay, headlights and GD. U, L2, U, L2, F2, prime, F2, R2, D, F2, U2, F2, R prime, B2, L2, F prime, U prime, B2. red, blue, orange, and green. Red is in a bad spot. We will solve that with blue, but green is not too good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, X cross. Keyhole. Ooh, let's see. Okay, pseudo slotting. Okay, never did that. This can go right into here, and this can go here. The top is matching the front, so we can consider these two as a pair if we move the bottom like this, I think, yeah. And then we just need to solve these two, I think, from this angle. But what I cannot see is yes, first I need to break them casually, and then all right, that will flip. Okay, let's see, just play a little bit with them. Okay, if I insert it like this, that would not solve this corner. So I need to insert it like this, but that will flip this corner, so I'm a bit confused. Should they be? Ah, okay. We should insert like this. Okay, that's harder than you first think. So if we insert it like this, then we have two pairs. All right. The hard pairs, if possible. So this one is a quite hard one regarding the positioning and everything else. But the easy part is this could be recognized by everything is the same color from here, the corners and the edges color. So we execute it from the standard recognition pattern that top color and the front color should match, and if they match, then we need to just push away the edge, and then we set up the insertion like this. And the next pair is this one, green on top, red facing, so we need a rotation and then just the standard insert. Okay, this could be two OLLs, one with a dot only here, then it has two side yellows. So that's how you recognize it from two side. But we don't have dots over here, which means that we have a line on the back, and that's this case. And this one is lucky because we've got the red bookends and the green block, and they are adjacent. this means we have a G perm, and that's our final solve, so finishing with G perm is always nice. GA. Nice. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you next time.